In primetime news this evening, more people test positive for COVID-19, pushing the number of cases in Jamaica to 53. In a TVJ News exclusive,
I want to apologize sincerely to the Prime Minister, to Jamaica, and to the Jamaica Conservative Force.
man in viral video apologizes to the nation. And Court of Appeal upholds conviction of Vybz Kartel for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams.
Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, brace for slower broadband speed. The warning from Flow. Andrew Lady will have the details in the financial week.
And in sports, centrally contracted players with the Jamaica Scorpions to continue receiving salaries. Jordan Fort will have those details and more in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what is your reaction to the unanimous decision of the Court of Appeal to dismiss the appeal of Vybz Kartel and his co-accused against their murder convictions?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.